The Tesla Semi is not yet in its finalized form, but it is expected to undergo several notable design enhancements and a significant battery upgrade in preparation for mass production by the end of this year. According to Tesla, this upcoming version is likely the long-anticipated Semi Gen 2, which will be manufactured at the new Giga Semifactory. This production facility is currently around 70% complete, with the remaining steps focused on installing machinery and production lines capable of producing 50,000 units annually starting next year. The updated Semi is also expected to be more cost-effective, primarily due to the use of a more energy-efficient battery system. With an influx of new information, it's worth taking a deeper look. Welcome to Auto Intel. Let's begin with insights from Elon Musk. "I believe we'll eventually produce millions of the Tesla Semi," Musk said. "It will be a common sight on highways. Additionally, it will possess autonomous capabilities or at least be equipped for autonomous driving in the future." Despite differing public opinions about Elon Musk, particularly his involvement with U.S. government initiatives, it's important to objectively acknowledge that Tesla has delivered some of the most advanced electric vehicles globally. These include the Model Y, which has remained the world's best-selling vehicle for several consecutive years, the top-selling Cybertruck in 2024, and what many consider the most capable Class 8 electric truck, the Tesla Semi. Yet, the Tesla Semi remains misunderstood by many. No other electric truck currently on the market can travel 500 miles on a single charge. There is also no equivalent model that can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 20 seconds while fully loaded. Few electric trucks can match the Tesla Semi's energy efficiency, which stands at only 1.7 kilowatt-hours per mile. Despite its relatively low visibility, interest in the Tesla Semi has largely been driven by users, especially PepsiCo drivers, who have praised the truck's unmatched driving experience and expressed reluctance to return to conventional trucks after using the Semi. With an estimated price of $200,000, the Tesla Semi may appear costly, but when weighed against the substantial operational savings, it becomes a strategic investment. Musk once described the vehicle as a money printer on wheels. Moreover, the Tesla Semi is the first electric Class 8 truck globally to feature full self-driving capability, an attribute that has long been anticipated by truck drivers. Tesla is expanding a dedicated manufacturing facility in Nevada to support Semi production. This facility is designed to produce up to 50,000 units per year within a 1.7 million square foot structure. Although the exterior is mostly completed, the interior still requires outfitting. Dan Priestley from Tesla stated that the company plans to finish installing the production amenities and equipment needed for high-volume manufacturing throughout the remainder of the year, scaling further through 2026. Priestley also disclosed that the Semi is undergoing extensive updates based on operational insights. Improvements include a redesigned mirror system, enhanced sightlines, and improved aerodynamics and performance. A drop glass addition has also been included. These changes are aimed at easing driver interactions with fixed infrastructure like port gates and telecom equipment. From its inception, the Tesla Semi was inspired by Japan's Shinkansen bullet trains and was designed to be exceptionally aerodynamic. Even during the conceptual phase, Tesla aimed for one of the lowest drag coefficients ever recorded for a Class 8 truck, reportedly 0.36. This is remarkable, considering most diesel trucks have drag coefficients between 0.5 and 0.8, if not higher. To achieve this, Tesla introduced design features such as a rounded front, a smooth underbody, enclosed wheels, and digital side mirrors in place of traditional ones. The space between the cab and trailer was also minimized to reduce turbulence. These innovations enabled the Semi to become the first electric truck capable of achieving a 500-mile range on a full load while maintaining an energy consumption rate of just 1.7 kilowatt-hours per mile. However, despite these advancements, the design has received some criticism, particularly from seasoned drivers. One of the most contentious elements is the replacement of traditional side mirrors with external cameras that relay footage to interior screens. While this system reduces aerodynamic drag and imparts a futuristic feel, drivers have reported difficulty in judging distances, especially when reversing or changing lanes. There are also concerns regarding system reliability, given that a malfunction could compromise rear visibility. Additionally, the central driving position, although innovative, has drawn criticism for limiting peripheral visibility in tight conditions. In response, Tesla is revising the mirror system to balance aerodynamics and visibility and introducing sliding side windows to facilitate easier communication with gates and loading docks. Other technical upgrades are also underway, though Tesla has yet to disclose specific details. One significant enhancement is the introduction of a new H2 battery, which represents Tesla's latest technological advancements. This battery is less expensive to produce and requires less energy storage capacity while maintaining the same range. Efficiency improvements, currently exceeding 7%, make this possible. Technically, the Tesla Semi will incorporate a megawatt charging system capable of delivering over 1 megawatt of power, 10 times more than the V3 superchargers used for Tesla's consumer vehicles. This enables the Semi to gain approximately 350 miles of range within just 30 minutes, significantly minimizing downtime, an essential requirement in logistics. Furthermore, Priestley confirmed that the Semi would soon transition to a new battery type referred to as the HV battery. While HV likely stands for high voltage, it is known that this next-generation battery offers reduced production costs and improved operational efficiency. Even with a smaller energy capacity, the new battery delivers the same driving range thanks to a 7% boost in efficiency, resulting in a lighter and more cost-effective truck. There was previous speculation that the Semi would transition from 2170 battery cells to the newer 4680 cells. However, this does not appear to be the case, possibly due to the 4680 cells being allocated for the Cybertruck or not being suitable for the Semi at this stage. Regardless, it is evident that Tesla is prioritizing efficiency and optimization in the Semi's battery system. In addition to the battery improvements, Tesla has developed a new feature known as EPTO, Electric Power Takeoff. This technology enables the Semi to power auxiliary trailer systems like refrigeration units and hydraulic equipment, which have traditionally relied on diesel. EPTO supports both AC and DC at multiple voltage levels and can provide over 25 kilowatts of power, further expanding the Semi's utility. Tesla is also working on a high-capacity charging system ranging from 1.2 to 2 megawatts. Built on Tesla's updated V4 supercharger platform, this new system reduces the space needed for semi-charging stations by more than 50% and allows multiple charging posts, between 1 and 8, to draw power from a single source. Musk once stated, "If you're a transport company not using a Tesla Semi, you're losing money. If you like making money, you should use this truck." This is not mere hyperbole. Businesses constantly seek ways to cut fuel and maintenance costs and boost profit margins. According to Tesla, the Semi's charging expenses are approximately half that of diesel, potentially saving operators up to $150,000 within the first 3 years of operation. The truck also benefits from over-the-air software updates and fewer components requiring maintenance, significantly reducing downtime and keeping vehicles on the road longer. Real-world testing by major customers such as PepsiCo, DHL, and SIA has confirmed the Semi's efficiency, with an average operating cost of approximately $0.30 per mile. A 6.5-mile journey would cost just about $3.30 with the Semi, compared to at least 1 gallon of diesel at $3.66, making the electric option much more economical. While the Semi is not inexpensive, with some reports indicating the 500-mile model could cost up to $250,000, this price becomes more reasonable when long-term savings are considered. For instance, PepsiCo reportedly utilized a $4.5 million subsidy to purchase 18 trucks, suggesting an average cost of $250,000 each. Tesla aims to produce the Semi at scale, potentially manufacturing 1 unit every 5 minutes. Although this may sound ambitious, Tesla's technical prowess makes it achievable. Once the factory reaches full capacity, Tesla could produce 50,000 trucks annually, equating to over 135 units daily, or one truck every 10 to 15 minutes if operating continuously. With ongoing manufacturing optimizations, producing one truck every 5 minutes may not be far-fetched. Speculation also surrounds additional projects at the Semifactory. Observers like Henrik Zane believe Tesla may be developing a new vehicle to be manufactured alongside the Semi. This could be a robovan, a 20-seater autonomous vehicle, or an 8-seater model Musk mentioned previously, potentially resembling the Ford E-Transit but intended for family use. During a recent earnings call, Tesla executives highlighted a growing concern: the number of truck drivers leaving the industry exceeds the number entering it, increasing the risk of supply chain disruptions. Musk emphasized that the Semi's full self-driving capabilities could address this challenge by reducing driver fatigue and making the profession more attractive. Autonomous features would allow drivers to rest while the truck operates safely, enhancing both driver well-being and road safety. Fatigue-related accidents have long plagued the industry, often caused by long hours, inadequate rest, and continuous exposure to engine noise. These conditions contribute to burnout and health issues among drivers. A notable example occurred last August when a Tesla Semi crashed on Interstate 80 near Immigrant Gap, causing a fire and highway closure. The cause was speculated to be fatigue or a battery impact resulting in a short circuit. Lithium battery fires are notoriously difficult to extinguish and can lead to environmental contamination. While electric trucks are generally safer, such incidents underline the importance of ongoing safety innovations. Incorporating full self-driving into the Tesla Semi is not just a technological leap, it is a transformative shift for the industry. No other company has successfully integrated such a feature into a commercial truck. This advancement can reduce the burden on drivers, enhance safety, and make trucking a more viable career choice, particularly for younger individuals. In 2020, Bill Gates advocated for electric vehicles but doubted the practicality of battery-powered solutions for heavy-duty transport. Musk responded by suggesting Gates misunderstood the technology. The Tesla Semi may ultimately serve as the definitive rebuttal to that skepticism. If the Semi reaches global markets in the next few years, it could play a vital role in reducing pollution caused by diesel trucks. According to the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, medium and heavy-duty trucks consume over a quarter of the U.S. fuel supply despite making up only 4% of all vehicles. Transitioning to electric trucks could significantly cut emissions from these sources. Tesla has spent nearly 8 years overcoming technical and logistical challenges to bring the Semi to life. Contrary to early fears of a production hell, the Semi is now poised to reshape the trucking landscape. The question remains: what are your thoughts on the Tesla Semi? Thank you for watching this analysis from Auto Intel. For more in-depth content about the Tesla Semi and other Tesla innovations, please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Auto Intel and enable notifications so you never miss an update. We appreciate your continued support and look forward to bringing you more informative content in the future. Goodbye.